Why are you taking your car?
I want to drive it near the robots.
Inside the museum?
Yes, it will be fun.
The museum will be full of people. Your car could get in someone's way.
But I'll be careful.
Let's leave it at home today. There will be plenty of things to do at the museum.
Are my young scientists ready?
I'm ready. Me too. I want to see everything.
Then remember, good scientists are curious, careful, and respectful.
Don't worry. I know how to behave. Wow! Look at that rocket!
It's taller than our house.
Stay close, please. There will be many visitors inside.
A dinosaur, a robot, and a spaceship.
Slowly, Leo. We'll see everything.
Welcome to the Maple Street Science Museum. My name is Miss Parker. Please stay with the group and remember to respect the exhibits and other visitors. Follow me, everyone! This meteorite traveled through space for millions of years.
A real meteorite?
Please don't run, Leo, and please don't touch the glass.
I'm sorry, I forgot.
You can clean it.
I'll be more careful.
Thank you for fixing it.
It never stops.
It can move for a very long time.
Leo, your head is huge.
Look at Dad! His legs are so long! Hello, young scientists. Can you answer questions? Ask me about space. How long does it take to fly to the moon? I want to try.
Wait for your turn.
Almost. One more time.
Leo, someone else is waiting.
Oh, I didn't see you. Sorry. You can go now.
You waited for your turn. Now you help someone else get theirs.
I just forgot to look behind me.
That's why we pay attention to the people around us.
Is that how my heart moves?
Yes, your heart works every second of every day.
It's not working.
Take a deep breath first.
I did it!
Our next stop is the planetarium. Please speak quietly inside. Food and drinks must stay in your bags. Thousands of stars fill our night sky. Leo, not here.
Wow! Saturn is enormous!
Leo, please use your museum voice and put the food away.
Sorry, I understand now.
There's a science workshop next. We can build rockets.
You can go without me.
Don't you want to build a rocket?
I'll probably do something wrong again.
Is that why you're so quiet?
I ran. I touched the glass. I forgot about the line. Then I made noise in the planetarium. Maybe I'm bad at museums.
You made mistakes because you were excited. That doesn't make you bad.
What did you do after you touched the glass?
I cleaned it.
And when you saw the children waiting?
I gave them a turn.
And now you know where you can eat your chips.
In the cafe.
Learning the rules is part of visiting a new place.
You just have to pay attention and keep learning.
Okay, I still want to build a rocket.
You remembered.
Everyone should get a turn. You can stand here. You'll see better.
Thank you.
Look, Dad. The rover is moving.
Great museum voice, Leo. Today we're going to build, and launch our own paper rockets.
I'll make the body.
I'll draw the stars.
I can help with the tape.
And I'll make the fins.
Oops, dropped it.
Got it.
Look, our rocket is ready.
Great teamwork.
Leo! 3, 2, 1, launch!
Yay! Watch it launch.
I'll help you clean too.
Great job! Clean table, top scientists.
Leo, I saw what you did.
Did I do something wrong?
No, you cleaned your table without being asked.
We have a real young scientist in our family.
A curious, careful, and respectful scientist.
Is everyone ready?
I've been ready for an hour.
I want to see the biggest ship ever.
Tickets, passports, camera. Perfect.
Sorry, Robbie.
You have to stay home.
Ready for our cruise?
Yes. I can't wait. One. 2.
Look ahead.
Wow. It's beautiful.
It's huge. This is amazing.
I want to live here.
Everybody smile.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Your passports, please.
My travel bag.
What is wrong?
I can't find it.
The blue bag?
Yes.
The passports are inside.
That's right.
Boarding closes in 15 minutes. Let's look for it.
Everyone stay together. Where is it?
Excuse me, have you seen a blue travel bag? I'm sorry, I haven't.
Not here.
Dad, I took your picture.
My picture?
Look.
The bench.
I left it there. No.
It's gone.
Excuse me. Have you seen a blue travel bag? Someone brought it there.
Is this yours?
Yes. Thank you so much.
Final boarding call.
Run!
Come on, quickly.
We made it! That was close!
Next time, I'll never leave my bag.
Now we can relax.
Best vacation ever. And it just started.
Smile!
Don't lose your bag again.
I won't.